Hello traders, today is the 8th of December 2020 and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the result. Just to recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. As you can see on the left hand side is the analysis and the right side is the trade taken based on this analysis. We had a few challenges in this morning, but later on at the New York session we had such beautiful trades. As you can see on the euro yen, that's what we explained, that our first priority would be the pullback short as mentioned on the analysis based on the momentum. We had beautiful pullback short trade on euro yen and pound yen, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the breakout short trade, and euro USD, this was again as mentioned on the traders breakout long trade. And the Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward. As you can see, the price nicely broke on this pattern. Beautiful breakout long trade on Aussie dollar. Dollar CAD, this was the pretty straightforward. As you can see here, this was the consolidation breakout. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, yesterday low, we announced to bank some profit. Later on, we also had a counter long trade. I'll show you in a minute. And if you look at the pound dollar, pretty straightforward. This was the consolidation breakout short trade. And pound yen, again, as mentioned on the analysis, we mentioned to traders that we should be looking only if the price can come out from this consolidation. As you can see, the price nicely broken and beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the around to the first fib channel, we announced to bank some profit on pound yen. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. As mentioned on the analysis, the most safest trade we explained to traders if the price is going to break this 200 EMA, which price nicely broken, and we announced all that trades. Based on the momentum, we were looking at short trade, and we had a beautiful breakout short trade on pound Swiss franc. And on dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. As you can see, as mentioned on the analysis, price nicely respected the resistance level. Beautiful short trade on dollar Swiss franc and pound dollar. Pretty straightforward. You can see this was the triangle pattern breakout based on the momentum. Beautiful short trade on pound dollar. This one again, after we had this breakout short trade, and as you can see, as soon as the price developed another pattern, we announced to look for another pullback short trade on pound dollar. Same thing on pound yen. We had this triangle pattern breakout, bank some profit. Afterwards, as you can see, we have another beautiful pullback short trade, which we announced through live ID commentary. Beautiful breakout and pullback short trade on pound yen. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. You can see breakout. After the breakout, beautiful pullback short trade on pound Swiss franc. Euro USD, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the triangle pattern breakout short trade. Euro Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. You can see, as mentioned on the analysis, this was the breakout short trade. And pound Swiss franc, this was the beautiful breakout counter long trade. As you can see, as mentioned on the analysis, we have head and shoulder pattern. And based on that, we announced to traders if the price gonna break the previous high, recent high, then we should be taking a long trade. As you can see, the price nicely hit to the first target. Beautiful counter long trade on pound Swiss franc. Dollar CAD, as mentioned, we explained to traders that because we were watching in 4 hour, and based on that, price has developed a double bottom in 4 hour, and we explained to traders if the price gonna break this consolidation, we should be taking a long trade. This was the counter breakout long trade on dollar CAD. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have forex trading experience, we also provide forex coaching and training. Or even if you are struggling, most welcome to join our platform and develop your trading skill in real-time trading environment where you can see all that analysis in real time. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that pips every single day alongside with our professional trader. So most welcome to join our fast growing trader community, and thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.